Hi, everybody. How you doing? Welcome to the final hour of trading today. This is August the 22nd, 2022. And I think there's some people making money here on options today. If you're an option writer, what a day. We're down 667 points, but option writers don't care. They make money on days like this. We're down 91 points on the S&P 500 and 321 points on the NASDAQ market. So the NASDAQ is the biggest dropper, 2.5%, 2.1 for S&P and 1.96 for the Dow. So all three are close to 2% or into 2.5% range. Oil down a dime, not much there. What an interesting day. We got Bed Bath Beyond down $1.24 to $9.79. AMC is at 10.72 on the common shares. On those APE preferreds, 5.76. Not looking good there. So 16.40, 16.50 combined value, where this morning it looked like $22, $23, now 16. So it's lower than the 18 range we closed at on Friday again. And again, there's a billion shares out there. Why would this stuff be more? It's going to be lower. In theory, if the shares were at $18 on Friday, the common shares, the two today should be adding up to 9. Because there's double the number of stocks out there. It's like a 2-for-1 stock split. So if you're trading at 18 and you're doing a 2-for-1 stock split, you should be trading at 9. Well, right now they're trading at 16.50 or 16.40, still too high. Just kind of bring it around to you. And AMC has made its intentions known that they want to sell preferred shares to raise cash. And they have $5.4 billion of debt they've got to, find a way to pay down or, pay a bunch of that off. The only thing they can sell are the prefs. And maybe that's why the prefs are at 574 and not higher or even equal to the commons. But the two may work in equilibrium out. It could be that the commons go to 9 and these go to 7. That's still 16, but would it be 8 and 6? That's 14. I don't remember. The common shares a month and a half ago were 10. They got to 12. Then we heard the word about these prefs at 14. Their numbers came out, and then they hyped the dividend thing, and then they ran it to 28. The mother of all short squeeze dreamers at Wall Street Bets, Reddit, everywhere else, ran it to $27, $28 before the split. Here we are. The split's been done. Everyone's got their stock. There's a billion plus out there, and we're at 16 something a share now. What do we got? 568 and 1060. So 1560, 1640. There you go. That's it. Okay. Dilution, right? What else? Again, thank you thank you for being here, all of you who are hanging out with me. Appreciate this. We're going to head over to members only commentary now. So again, if you want to help out and comment with us, by all means, become a member of the channel and join the discussion. Love to have you. Thank you all for those of you who are members. You are the folks who are carrying this channel, without doubt, allowing everyone else to watch. And I appreciate all of you who are, carrying this place. Also, the Gold Bagel members, you guys are the number one backers of the channel. Thank you, all of you, so much. I hope that you are having a good day today. I hope you are picking up the info you need on a daily basis here to help you be a better option writer. It's fantastic how it's been coming along. It's 48 of you thumbs ups already. Thank you. 48 thumbs ups, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. And what can I say? What else is going on here? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. H. Gregor, I think I'm number 47 on the thumbs up meter. Fabulous, thank you. What a day for option writers. I mean, there's no other way to say it. Look at GameStop down 208. If you wrote options this morning, if you wrote options last week, if you wrote options on rollovers into the high 30s, mid 30s, high 30s, 40s, I mean, look at your option. They are collapsing, which is what you want. Fabulous stuff. You're going to be giving very little money back that you received in when you sold your calls. That's the best part about being a call option writer. You sell first, you buy them back later, and you buy them back at a lower price. That's the objective of the game here. And that is how this game is working out for a lot of you on a lot of different stocks right now. If not today, I don't know when you can make money. Looking at some of the high flying, like the higher stocks, like Tesla down $22, Pfizer down 29 cents, Boeing down 419, Apple down 373 to 167, HPQ down 76, Cisco down 111. I have a feeling a bunch of you writers are doing well here. Twitter down 97 cents, Home Depot down 779, Carvana down 638, Robinhood down 20, who else we got here? Vanik Vectors down 792, IBM down 250, Microsoft down 824. Wow. Google down 3, Amazon down 490. So yeah, way to go, you guys. Let's see. Sold H. Greg. I sold my AMC puts at a profit, took profit and got out. Still letting my $18 strike covered call for September 16 die. Thanks, Uncle Bruce. Way to go, H. Gregory. Go Eddie Mallow. Bet you can fit a lot of popcorn under that hood with no engine, though. DQ 54, a Coyote 55. Thank you guys for these thumbs ups, getting us as quick as you can to 100 thumbs ups already. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's been a heck of a run. The AMC thing, as I say, it's I've been desperately trying to cover this with some semblance of reality baked in, but there's just so many dreamers out there, so many pie in the sky conspiracy theorists out there who think the world's going to go crazy for them because the company is doubling the number of shares outstanding. This is not possible. 1070 on AMC stock, 574 on the prefs, $16.40 odd cents is it. This thing is still collapsing and will, I think, likely continue, not in a straight line, but whatever. This company needs a lot of cash. With their competitor going into receivership, if they're going under, they'll go into Chapter 11. They do that, they can run on a lower cost basis because they won't have to pay debts. They'll be able to knock debts off. That entity will be bought by something else, whatever else, and might be a lower cost operator than AMC. And that's bad news for AMC. That's not good news. That's bad news. I don't know. Uncle Bruce, I bought 500 shares of SoFi between 602 and 607 today. Sold 5 January 2024, 5s for 255. I kind of hoping I'm a hit on Friday. I'm going to be hit on Friday on this. This is interesting. So you're selling the shares for 755 theoretically if you were to be bought out. You don't mind getting taken out right now. Yeah, you wouldn't mind being exercised. I totally get it. These are January 2024, so it's quite some distance. But in the meantime, you put up 602 to 607. You got 255 back right now in cash. So you've only put out 350 in cash to buy these shares. Now, what you do with the 255 is totally up to you. You could theoretically buy more of this stock, buy ATIP for 255, buy 255 worth of that. I mean, just tons of it. 5 times. That's 5 contracts you've written, I'm assuming, for 255 each. You brought in 2775 cash. Lets you buy another 400 shares of SoFi. Lets you write 4 more calls, or lets you buy 2,700 ATIP or 2,800 and write 28 contracts at 250 a piece. I mean, whatever your game is. I'm way to go. Just way to go. I think it's great. DQ, Moderna. DQ, mRNA covered calls. Sold for $335 on Friday, bottom back for $121 today. Way to go, DQ. You are taking money back, which I totally agree with you there. A Splayer. Now, I don't know. Should I close my put and buy SoFi to write a call? On the other hand, with my luck, in the next week, suddenly the stock split gets enough. Splayer, you're making money on your put. So it's time to cash in, because what's the downside from here? Another 50 cents, $1, maybe $1.25, $1.50, maybe. You take your dough now and move into the next gig, and here we go. Whatever it is you want to play, knock yourself out. Look, if you buy SoFi and you write a $6 call for next month or the month after, and you bring in some premium and you get taken out, you're selling at $7.50. I don't know what you're getting for the call, but you're making money. So make money. If the stock wants to go down, you'll buy the call back for less and rewrite. But in any event, welcome to the option writing business, Blair. You're here. Richard, nice, quick. You might be, I don't know what's going on here. Miraculous Uncle Bruce, you are single-handedly tanking the market. Am I? Am I really? Especially APE and AMC, shaking my finger at you. I'm single-handedly tanking the market. How is that possible? How am I doing that? I have no idea how I am tanking anything. When you write options, you're giving option gamblers a tool with which to play with. You're buying them back at a different price. I don't know how that's tanking the market. You're adding liquidity to the market if you're doing that. And on AMC, am I tanking AMC by telling the truth to the world? What's going on here? I mean, read all the articles on AMC from all over the place. Show me anywhere where someone is saying with proof, this is the greatest, best thing to happen to this company because it's going to add liquidity to its balance sheet. How, where, what, who, what? I don't know who wants to buy this stuff. With Regal Theaters going out of business, how am I tanking AMC? Regal is tanking on its own. How am I tanking it? Go to the movies, folks, if you want to save this company, and buy their popcorn and buy their cola. Take your friends with you, fill up those houses, and you might stave off bankruptcy for a while longer. But these guys are bleeding money, man. Huge. Zach, DQ, noise. Coyote, SoFi has some buying power at 6. Coyote, we would be, we would be driving Lambos on the moon if it wasn't for Uncle Bruce's meddling. Quick sec, picked up 400 ATIP today as well. Bingo, pick up the ATIP. I think this channel should pick up all the ATIP it can pick up whenever it can, and we will become the single largest block of shareholders of this company outside of the the entity that created it. We'd have some power here, Richard, very, very bad man, Jerry. Very, very bad. Very bad, Jerry. Very. Yeah, Coyote, especially when it goes on with dropping and I get the in the money $6 call that I could drive until 550 for buying it back. Coyote, Richard, we named our cat Babu after that episode. Babu, I'm sorry, Babu. You're a bad man, Jerry. Very, very bad. Exactly what am I thinking about? There you go, Splayer. There you go. Oh man, Coyote, up to 50% on my GameStop calls. I'm up 50% of my GameStop calls. I think I should just accept the win, and close them out and see what happens tomorrow. I feel like we're going lower, but my gut's been wrong a lot the past month. If you are sitting on an out of the money call that dies this Friday, you don't have to do anything right now. Time will make you even more. 34.40 on GameStop, down 209. Let's see. Miraculous. No, I was kidding. Zach, Coyote, I'm always aiming for 50+% gains, winning the ball game with base hits, not home runs. Coyote, Zach, small ball baby, put that ball in play. Leonard Van Cott is a new member of this channel, and this is a name that rings a bell with me. What can I say? Leonard, thank you for being here. Just noticing a message from DQ that got blocked. DQ, you're using a word you can't use. There you go. Thank you, Leonard, for joining in. If you're a returning member, welcome back. If you've never been here before, welcome to the crowd. But I've seen this name before. That's one of my repeat offenders, I'm pretty sure. Welcome, my friend. Glad to have you here. Quick sick of saying to Richard, oh, I'm okay. Wait as well. If I'm taken out, fine. If I'm not, time decay. Richard Garland, and I thought my girlfriend was calling me Babu. Yes, it's out of the money. $40.50 September 2nd. Oh my gosh. You could buy it back and then turn around and write a $39 September 2nd and take more money off the table. You could do that. You could write a 38. The stock's at 34. So, buy yours back, write a 38, bring in the extra premium and let it die. September 2nd. Geez, not bad, pal. Not bad. Up to you. Hello, number 74, thumbs up. Thank you. Sell my house in Upper Marlboro. I'm number 72. So every time I only made between $5, $20, it goes to ATIP. And every time when I have free cash with similar amount in real life pocket, it goes to Cardano. That's how you get rich on cheap stuff. DQ is laughing out loud. Tiff, my August 26th, $34 HPQ cover call is looking really good right now. It dies in 4 days. It's a $34 call. The stock is $33.46. This call is out of the money. It's really looking good right now, and I like this. I'm very happy. I'm very pleased for you, Tiff. You're on the right track here. Enjoy this ride. You gotta love it. Deuce Caboose. I can't wait for I can't for the life of me figure it out. ATIP. I've been pouring through the 10Q. Why is it 85 cents? Why? Because there's shareholders who are in big financial trouble. See, the lower it goes, I think, this is just me. I have no facts on this. This is just a pure guess. But my guess is that there are some hedge funds out there who bought $10 shares on the the IPO thing, the SPAC. What do they call that? The PIPE financing. The PIPE financing. I think a few of these guys bought $10 PIPE financing stock at $10, expecting a quick flip within a year or so to 15, 20, 30. And they bought a zillion of these, not just ATIP. They bought a basket of them for investors that gave them money to diversify into a whole bunch of these things. And they're down on almost all of them. And a lot of the SPACs they bought into haven't done their deals yet. And they're sitting there going, these guys aren't going to do deals. Now, they might get their money refunded to them, their $10, if the deal doesn't get done. Fair enough. But then again, on the other side of it, how many SPACs did they get into before ATIP, including ATIP and after ATIP, that are under $10? And ATIP here at 80 something cents just is killing them. And they're being forced out. And sooner or later they'll be gone. But hey, I can't tell you when this is going to happen. I have no idea what the downside is, but it's getting cheaper every day. And if you buy them at 86 cents and you write a 250 call for Jan 2024, can you get 30 cents for them, 28 cents, and buy more ATIP? Just gather it up, and we'll take it out of the way. Volume on ATIP today, 633,000 shares. The market cap of the company is $179 million. I think they have over $130 million in cash. I think. Now, somebody can maybe help me on that. But these guys are, I think, worth more in cash and liquid assets than the cap price, the market cap of the company. It's a takeover target now, I wonder. Anyway, what's going on? Thank you, everybody. Let's see. Hi, Uncle Bruce from Beach Boy. How you doing there, buddy? What's happening? Welcome, everybody. Welcome, Leonard. Thank you, Uncle B. Deuce Caboose. Their large note with Barclays doesn't need to be addressed until 2028, dude. That's 6 years of being left alone. Are you talking about AMC? Like, are you... Is that, I don't know who you're talking about there, buddy. Beach Boy, things are moving with the app on the phone. It is so convenient to trade like that. Oh, great. I'm happy about this. Deuce Caboose Ski, have you bought any ATIP shares lately? That could explain it. Zach, ATIP 86. BZ, Splitter, I've had Cardano $15 bi-weekly for a couple of years now. Forgot about it until you brought it up. Olivia, hi there. I am number 77 on the thumbs up meter. Thank you, Olivia. DQ Tiff. Oh, that was mean. Accurate, but mean. Deuce. Their losses are all non-cash write-offs, like impairments on goodwill and trade name, which aren't good. I get it. Change in fair value, etc. Deuce Caboose. ATIP is what he's talking about. Oh, I see what you mean. So, okay. Has there been any ATIP buyout rumors? Nope. Flint Creek, 86. Holy moly. Thank you. 86 cents, and thank you for being here. Yeah, wild, isn't it? Beach Boy, I wrote 4 cover calls on GameStop, Feb 26, 34.50, and 135. Is it a good idea to write some more tonight or wait with the other 1,500? What do you want me to do? As well. So, okay. 34.26 on the stock. The low today, 34.20. Something tells me you paid more than this for the price of the stock, and you didn't write right away. You were waiting for a pop, and now you're down. Is that what's happening here? Am I right on this? Theoretically, I'd really like you to write for Friday. Really wanted that happening. I'd love to see a little recovery pop. I don't know if we're going to get one. We're 40 minutes away, though, so we're not done. But at least for today, tomorrow, one less day for a Friday call. Obviously, you can write for Friday or next Friday. But you wrote 34.50s, so they're already out of the money. That's good. See if you can get as much for more of the 34.50s, perhaps. Keep an eye on the stock. If it pops a little bit, maybe you can get 34.50s off at 130, 35, 140. I don't know. I don't know the market. I don't know the quote. But the stock is off 224 today, and we're looking at that ATIP just, AMC, looking at AMC heading into the depths here. 1054 on AMC right now. The low today, 1042. APE shares 551. So 551 plus 1054 is 1603. Is that right? 550 now. $16.03. Wow, just yuck. Down AMC. Now, this isn't going to single-handedly make GameStop keep going lower. GameStop's going lower on its own volition because, people are worried about the BBBY thing. They're wondering about the Cohen thing. There's no news, like always. What's going on? Yeah, you're right, says Beach Boy. I was looking for a pop, and then it didn't happen, and now I'm wondering what I should do. Okay. So 34.50s, write them. They're out of the money. Take the cash. Stock stays here, goes lower. Thank you. Pops up a little bit. No worries. We can do that. Right now, 34.22, down to 27 with 37 minutes to go. Otherwise, wait till tomorrow. Maybe you get a little pop opening, and boom, you can move in on 35s or 34.50s or whatever. But whatever. It's not the end of the world. It's not. It's okay. ATIP can get another $70 million on their credit line until they have to look elsewhere or issue shares. If you add back the impairment charge, you basically broke even and didn't even have a captain. Zach, Bruce, my portfolio is bleeding like a stuck pig today, except all those beauties known as covered calls, shining like emeralds in a pool of blood. You're my savior. He even got Jennifer laughing on that one. Emeralds in a pool of blood. Oh man, I just buy and stake my Cardanos. That's why I actually get monthly 1 Cardano coin for free. When I hold it till $3-5, it'll pay off. Rock and roll. Swear. Deuce, Uncle Bruce, was it speculate? If ATIP gets bought out, what do you think should be fair? Well, there you go. I just don't know. I can't believe that a company that cannot keep up with demand, which is the situation here. People need physio. There are more physio patients needing help than the company can handle. Because, of course, a physio patient doesn't go just once and they're cured. It's an ongoing collaborative effort. And how many people have put off physio for these 1 and 2 years? How many procedures are going to be done on knees and shoulders and hips and on people over the next 2 years to catch up just on the backlog. And then these folks need after surgery physio. These guys here at ATIP are going to be up to here in work. And I think they're going to be able to raise their prices. I really do. I think they're going to raise their prices for their services, because where else are you going to go? Where else are you going to get in? If there's a backlog of clients, they can afford to raise their prices 15%. Who's going to walk away? Really? Where else are you going to go for it? I think this company has tremendous pricing power to add to their earnings, and I'm certain they're still opening new clinics and are trying to hire as many professionals, technicians as humanly possible. So I don't see this company in trouble. The stock's in trouble because of shareholder problems, I think, not corporate. So takeover, yeah. There's one buyer you got to take out, which I believe owns a whack of this company, the actual creator of the company. I think they're a huge shareholder. I want to say 60+% of the stock, but I can't say. I don't know the actual number. If anyone does know, do let me in on that. I just don't have time to do up all the due diligence while I'm watching 15 markets at the same time. But in any event, yeah, unreal. Larry, hi, everybody. I am number 88 on the thumbs ups meter. Zach says, hi, Deuce. My wife is going to kill me, but I'm talking myself into another 10,000 shares of ATIP. And then write a bunch of calls, and oh my God, DQ, Deuce Caboose, she's going to kill you regardless, so just go for it. IR Aaron, number 40, checking in from Tarmac in LaGuardia. How you doing, pal? All flights south grounded because of weather. Wow. Unbelievable. Hang in there, buddy, and good to see you today. Welcome, my friend. It's a beautiful image. No, says Zach. That's a nice little skull you got there. KC, I'm number 91. BW, I know they have money, and I know they're a good company, but is ATIP going to be in trouble that they can't get over $2? It's absurd the company becomes public at 10 and can't even hold 90. Well, temporary perhaps. There could be one day it goes up 50 cents, the next day it goes up 60, and the next day it goes up $1.40. Next thing you know, you're $3.25, and everyone goes, what the hell was that? I don't know. Zach, making Jen laugh now. That is a diamond right there. Deuce Caboose, the last thing I wanted for ATIP, a buyout. Flint, so agreed. People are aging out and needing care. Biggest physiotherapy company in country. I will sit back and hold for years. It's pocket change. And that's the thing. It isn't an expensive stock to get. What's your downside? 80-something cents. But I don't think they're going out of biz. I just don't think so. Yeah. What can I say? Like I say, you can do what Flint Creek Soap is doing. Buy the stock, write 250 calls against it for January 2024. Dare them to take you out at 250 plus the premium. Not a bad return on your money. Not bad for like what we call mad money. So, money lying around, chump change. 638 points on the down dip right now on the Dow Jones. 638 points. We're down 89 on S&P. NASDAQ down 322. 2.5% on NASDAQ, 2.1 on S&P, and 1.9 on the Dow. Wow, just unbelievable. Splair, my $4.5 and $5 Matterport call expiring September 16th, doing really well already too. What a juicy Monday, and the market drops. There you go. There you are, my friend. Can I say ME at 325, GameStop at 34.22, Matterport 457, SoFi 607, ATIP 85.9 cents a share. And Rocket Lab 545, SmartRent 350, Spire 136.5, only down 1.5 cents. And Cyxtera is down to 732. What a drop on Cyxtera. Tesla down $21. We got Pfizer at 48.88, down 27. Boeing down 432. Apple down 381 to 167.71. HPQ down 80 to 33.43. Cisco down 99 cents to 47.72. How about all that? Unreal. The Credit Savage 99 or 100. What's good, Uncle Bruce? How are y'all degenerates doing today? Hope everyone's taking some good positions. Welcome, Credit Savage. Beach Boy, thank you for this donation. 15 shekels. Wrote 15 GameStop August 26s. So they die Friday. 35s for 149. There you go, right there. Offering a stock up for $36.49. What a wonderfully charitable man. saying, you can have my stock for $36.49. I didn't pay $36.49, but you can have it. If you want to buy it off of me, take it up, buy it back, and I'll write 37s or 38s. Come on in, take me out. Love it. 34.26 on the stock, and he's writing 35s for 149. Yes, sir. All right. Splair. Come on, AMC. At least one more change up for my put, and I'm happy. Alberto. I was wondering why I couldn't chat. I was on an old video. Gee, Beach Boy, I just did the same, but my stinks hit for 153. I'll tell you, Alberto, if you try to chat on my older shows, you know, if you watch them again and again and again, you'll know what happens in the future. It's like having a flux capacitor, and you can just say, I told you it was going to do that, and it did. But unfortunately, you can't type in and no one will respond to you. But welcome to the show, my friend. BW. Oh, Uncle Boo. We'll start calling you from now on. Hello. I got a little worried about that GameStop would go below my covered call. So bought all my calls back and went deeper in the money for 0217. 26.25 call at 11.95, and I wrote 8.26, 35.25, so 145. Right on. So again, he picked off. Hallow has picked off 26.25 calls on a $34 stock. Nice. Bought them for about $12. Okay. 12. That's 30. It's what, $38. It's expensive. 217. That's Feb 17th. That would be what, 2023, I'm assuming, unless it's 2024, but I think it's 2023. And then wrote August 20th. So this Friday calls 35.25s, which are out of the money, $1 for 145. There you go. So bringing 145 in on an 11.95 investment. And if he buys them back for 15, 20 cents on Friday morning, giddy up, or a quarter, whatever, and then writes the next week another $1.50, $2. Giddy up, baby. That's return on your money. That's pretty good. Christina, I need to write. Do we think tomorrow will be a dead cat bounce? Oh, Christina, that I can't tell you. But I just see today for the first time in, a couple of weeks that I've been kind of saying we're due for a sell-off here. We're finally getting one, but this isn't it. Like, this isn't the whole thing, okay? There's more. But is it all in one swing, or do we have a little cat bounce and then we drop? Maybe tomorrow morning you want to do that. I hear you. I hear you, Christina, but you're a writer and you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. You are hunting for your next move, and that's the right way to do it. Olivia is laughing out loud. She loves Alberto. Alberto is living in the past. Alberto, please get us, what is that, a Sobrino to help you use technology? I don't know what that means. Coyote, Kristen, I'm hoping premiums are just sad here today. Beach Boy, Alberto, laugh out loud. Happened to me as well. Just don't tell anybody. Hello. 2023 is when those expired. 2020. Gotcha. Next year. Christina, I may wait. We'll see. Alberto, laughing. So true, Uncle. Everybody, long-term effects of smoking the ganja. Man, I've been putting in comments all day and no one's responding to me. I don't get it. Boy, and they keep saying the same things every day. I watch these guys. And what's with Bruce? He's got the same shirt on every day. He says the same thing. I don't get this guy. Crazy. I can almost tell you when Auntie Jen's going to sneeze. I can almost feel it coming on. It's like every day at the same time. It's unbelievable. DQ. I was watching the Uncle Bruce stream and I saw GameStop was $300 a share. I quit my job, lit my car on fire, told my neighbors off. Then I realized it was an old video. Oops. Coyote's laughing and loving it. DQ is loving it. Oh, yes. Too much fun, you guys. And Auntie Jen and her punctual sneezes at the same time every day. It's amazing. Alberto, Coyote, I was trying to chat and couldn't figure it out, laughing out loud. No, it's not even showing on the thing. And I'm a member. Nothing. I don't know what's going on. Christina, I could sell $30 calls for 25 days away for $650. Yeah, isn't that something? $36.50 sell price. There you go. Yeah, there's possible depreciation. And then again, you could write 34 450s for this Friday and take that. Right 35s for this Friday and take that. All kinds of possibilities here, whatever you're comfortable with, but there's money in them there hills. I think so. Oh my gosh, what a day. We are down 646 on the Dow today, down 90 on S&P, and we're down 327 on NASDAQ. Beach Boy, Alberto, no. Ganja, just a push of the flux capacitor. That's all you need. Splayer, you should stick to what did it say? It's better for markets. At least I have one for my doctor recipe for strawberry ice. Very good to see. I have no idea what he's talking about. He's talking about something chemical, but I don't know what this means. Alberto, Christina, which stock? Mirko, Alberto, I hope you didn't hit your laptop too hard. He's laughing there. Alberto, he's laughing with him too, with Mirko. Bobby, NASDAQ is like 200 points away from losing all its gain from a month ago. Welcome back. Credit Savage. Uncle Bruce, I know you preach selling covered calls and not really buying options as much, but hear me out. SoFi is so low and oversold. $10 January 2023 options can be bought for 24 cents, and we still have a quarter earnings. Should I buy 100? The problem is January 23 sounds like a long time from now, but it isn't. This is August 22nd. So September 22nd, October, November, December, 4 months, and then December is 5 months. You know, I'm not a fan. I'm really not a fan. I get it, but I'm not a fan. You can make quite a bit more money writing options than you can buying these. But you know, what can I say? It is what it is. You know, you could buy on SoFi's. You could buy maybe $4 calls for 2023-24, maybe nice and cheap. I don't know how cheap, but cheap enough, and then write on those, write 6s or 7s on them. I don't know. I'm just throwing it out there, but the stock is cheap at 606. Unbelievable. We're down 146, by the way, on BBB wide for 957. AMC 1037, and the prefs are 562. That's less than $16 combined on this. And we've got GameStop at 34.44, down 205. AMC volume 138 million today. Finally, some volume, but it's people bailing out. That's what it is. They're bailing out. The volume on those APE shares, 51 million. I bet you a lot of folks are dumping those shares, and maybe they're buying the commons. I don't know. There's no gain either way. On one hand, I'm almost tempted to say to people, sell your commons at 1050 and buy the prefs at 562, because they're equal partners in the deal going forward. And, you know, you got 1,000 AMC of each now, right? You dump your commons and buy 2,000 more prefs. You got 3,000 shares of prefs and 0 commons. The prefs go up to $8-9, and the commons come down to $8-9, and then you sell half your prefs by half the. I don't know. I just do not know. I don't even know why you'd want to be in it to be in the first place. To be honest, I don't know why you want to be in this at all. They're in such trouble. I don't know. Anyway. We all knew there would be a rug pull. We were just early. People had their ears plugged. Let's see what else is going on. Alberto's laughing with everybody here. Christina, I'll do a test. I just sold 535 GameStops for $270 that expire on the 2nd of September. There you go. So you just took in $1,350 for contracts that die not this Friday, but the next Friday. Or the Friday after that, pardon me. What am I getting this right? No, next Friday. Yeah, not this Friday, the next Friday. At the $35 calls. Zach, you have to search O'Reilly's Auto Parts for the part number. I have no idea what's going on here. Credit Savage, to hedge, I would have to buy 75 contracts. I seriously think next QE is going to be killer. I think that will touch 9 or 10 in October. Can always sell then. It's just too oversold. I think we're talking about SoFi, I guess. I'm not sure. 34.50 on GameStop. The low of the day, 34.20. Wow. Unreal. The Dow down 642. S&P down 90. NASDAQ down 325. We're down between 1.9 and 2.56%. Oil off a dime today to 90.67. Wow. We are over 3% on the 10-year Treasury, by the way. It is over 3. It's like 3.04, 3.05, something like that. Yeah. Let's see. Mirko was saying, I'm so lucky. I could sell my BBBY at 1889, but still had 2 covered calls on them, so they're naked now, I guess. They are 9 for this Friday. Sold them for 159. Folded arms during the run up. Now I'm very happy. Interesting, sir. Very interesting. We're at 1050 now on AMC and 596 on the prefs. So 1650 ish right now. Yeah, 1650 on the combined value. 34.48 on GameStop. 28 cents from the low. ME 325 down 7.5 cents. Matterport 459.5 down 27.5. SoFi 608 down 24. 609 now. ATIP 87.1 down 4 cents. We got us low today on the ATIP is 85.8, 757,000. How many of those are us? How many of people on this channel bought all that up? I'd be curious. Christina sold 5 34.50s on GameStop for 185 that expire this Friday. Who cares says, boom, I'm number 110 on the thumbs up meter. How about that? Oh, wow, 112. Thank you, guys. 112 thumbs ups today on this afternoon show. Thank you all. Appreciate that. Not bad for a down 600-point day to get that kind of thumbs up button. Thank you, everybody. Hit those thumbs ups for us. Really appreciate it. I wonder on the other channels out there, are they crying in their beer? Are they really getting their butts handed to them because they only think long? They only buy for the mother of all short squeezes, and they're getting crushed today. This has got to be the happiest channel on YouTube from the stock market point of view. We're just loving this. This is fantastic. Oh, my gosh, are we seeing money being made here today? Unbelievable. 951 on Bed Bath Beyond. 1056 on AMC. 34.46 now on GameStop. My goodness, money is being made on options here for sure. Jeff, so Uncle Bruce, if a person were to sell a covered call deep in the money, sell one, what is it to prevent the buyer from exercising, taking the stock and selling it at the current price to make a profit? Oh, okay. Well, if they want to exercise the contract, they got to buy it. So, okay, so you have 100 shares, right? Let's say we're talking GameStop and they're trading at 34.50 and you write a $20 call deep in the money, right? You get paid right now $14.51 plus time premium. I don't know what you're getting, $16.50, $17, whatever that is, all right? And if you got taken out at 20, you'd get $20 plus you already got the $16, $17. You got $36, $37 sitting at 34.50. You'll just turn around, buy it back, and do it again. That's you. Now, on the other side of the equation, somebody bought your call from you at $20. They paid that $17. Now they're buying the stock off you at 20. Well, they're paying $37. This thing's 34.50. Why would they do that? But let's look at it another way. You write a call for this $20 call for way out there, deep in the money, way down the road. Even if you write a call that's a $20 call that expires this Friday, you could do if you want. You'll probably just get $14.50 for it, $14.75, maybe $15. But nonetheless, you've written a call deep in the money whenever it expires. Now, anyone else out there, anybody that owns a call like the one you just sold, the $20 call with this exact expiry date, anybody out there could notify their broker, hey, I want to exercise my $20 call. Well, the notification goes into the broker, into the options market exchange, I guess it's Chicago. They randomly pick who gets exercised, and that could be you. So in theory, you could write a deep in the money call now, and in 15 minutes from now, you could be notified you've been exercised. Or you could be notified tomorrow morning. You could be exercised tomorrow afternoon. You could be exercised this Friday, right up until the end. Theoretically, if you write a call now that's deep in the money or in the money, you will be exercised if it expires this Friday, if it's still in the money. The catch, of course, is can you write a call where you're going to be exercised and you want to be exercised because what you received for your premium plus what you'll get for your exercise price is more than what the stock is trading for. That's the trick. Now, if you're going to write a $30 call, that's $4.51 in the money, that dies this Friday, can you get $5 or $5.50 for it? Theoretically, if you could get $5.50 for it in cash now and $30 on exercise on Friday, that's $35.50. Now, the stock is sitting at $34.50 at the time. You've sold for $35.50. You've made $100 on your shares on that whole transaction, less brokerage fees, right? If you've done it on 1,000 shares, you may have made $1,000. You got 10,000 shares, you made 10 grand. So theoretically, you can write an option with the entire intent of being exercised. You want them to take you out this Friday or next Friday or the one after. Again, depending on how deep in the money you write, you increase your chances of being exercised at the end of it by the broker, right? Might be worth your while to look into it, might not. Christina, we will see what happens tomorrow, what tomorrow brings, but I did write 10 out of the 22 calls today. There you go, JJ. Happiest stock market channel on YouTube. I'm a dark side crap player. When I hear 7 out, I'm the only person smiling at the table. There you go. We got 13 minutes left in our day today. And what a crazy day it has been. The Dow's off 677. We're going lower into the close, not higher. We're down 96 on S&P. We're down 346 on NASDAQ. All right. We're at 34.53 on GameStop. Bed Bath Beyond is 942. AMC 1058. And the preferreds are 638. So there you have it. 1680 combined value, something like that. We're off 7.5 cents on ME to 325. Matterport 457.5 down 29 cents. SoFi 608 down 24. ATIP 86.2 down 4.9 cents. Rocket Lab 548 down 25 cents. Smart Rent 346 down 19.5. Spire 136 down 2 cents. Sextera 729 down 192 today. What a bloodbath for Sextera today. Terrible day. I don't know if there's any news on it. Nope, I got nothing. I don't see any news on it whatsoever. It's just a bad day. And the volume on Sextera, 1.7 million today. That's unusually heavy for these guys. So there's something going on. Tesla down $22. Pfizer down 27. Boeing down 460. Apple down 426. HPQ down 90, Cisco down 107, Twitter down $1, Home Depot down 886, Carvana down 650, Robinhood down 23, Vanik Vector Semiconductor SMH down 883, IBM down 263, Microsoft 848 lower, Goldman down 778, Google down 338, and Amazon down 520. Meta down 523, BlackBerry down 30, Royal Caribbean down 186. Yeah, we're down. Walmart's down 250 today. Costco down 950. Nvidia down 875. American Airlines down 49. Netflix down $15 to 226. Moderna down 396 to 142 a share. So there you go. Christina got a January. What is this? I got a January 224 SoFi $5 strike for 257. So did you bought a call for 257 for 2024 on SoFi with a $5 exercise price. I'm assuming that's what you've done, or did you sell it? Because if you sold it, you're selling for 757 on a stock you can buy for 608. I don't know. I'm with Christina. You're never quite sure. Because Christina, she'll kind of give you a cryptic message, and then she clarifies it later, which she will. It's all right. That's how I did it on Matterport. Ran up fast, went back quick to 710. I wrote 2 $7 in the money calls when it would get exercised. I would sit on 1,600 on a $900 investment, so I'd be happy with both. Nick S, I'm number 126. I like seeing SMH coming back into the 220s. Time to put a limit in for 219. There's something. We're now down to 10 minutes to go. We're down 643 on the Dow. The AMC at 1052 and the APE's preferreds are 630. 1680, 84 is what the combined value is. That's a drop today of $1.20 from Friday's close, something like that. It's another dip on AMC. GameStop 34.56 right here. That's what we are seeing, guys. What a day. Really pleased that a bunch of you've got Friday calls for expiry, because tomorrow they're lower. Wednesday, they're lower. Down we go, baby. Down we go. Interesting. Oil down a dime at 90.67. Here we go. Settled and done. I'm sitting on a written SoFi call with a $6 expiry, the $6 strike price expiry 30 September. There you go. All right. Taking the premium and watching it, waiting it, and see what happens. Okay. It's always good. 610 on the stock for SoFi. Matterport 458.5, down 28.5. ME down 2 cents to 331. Been battling back. GameStop 34.66 to 68. AMC 1050 on the commons now, and 665 on the prefs. Right there. Yeah. Okay. $17 combined, I guess. Yeah. Dow down 622. Right here. Interesting stuff, kids. You've got a lot of stuff to watch, like I do, for this week, and we'll see how it all wants to play out. Splair, and the best on that, I started with $340, and I'm now in a $600 in stock and $60 cash. Been writing for what, a week and a half? Maybe 2 weeks. I'm not even sure if it's that long. ATIP is 86 cents. Wow, it's a bargain down here. If anybody's got some loose change lying around, pick off some ATIP at 86 cents. Just take it away from the losers. Take it away. Karen D, I bought some more SoFi shares today so I can keep writing. Right on. Splair, I hope to buy back near 550 when NASDAQ goes on dropping. There's always that too. See how it goes. Time and price depreciation could be your double whammy, or one or the other, or both. You never know. Yeah. Interesting, isn't it? The 10-year Treasury settles above 3% for the first time in a month, says the headline. 3.03 on the U.S. The German 10-year 1.3, that went up. Italy 3.59, Spain 2.47, UK 2.5, all higher. Currencies, oh, look at the euro, 99.4, lost a penny today. And the pound, 117.6, down 2/3 of a penny today against the U.S. dollar. So, yeah, these currencies are dropping against the U.S. buck, adding to the woes in Europe badly, terribly. Not good over there. AMC now 1047. The low today, 1030. It's dropping again, 1037. Oh my. $17 combined value right now. As I see it, the APE prefs are getting a little rally at the end of the day. They hit the low of about 532 or 527, and they're now pushing 672. They've come up $1.50. Which kind of makes sense. Either the commons go down and the prefs go up. I mean, they have to reach equilibrium sooner or later. But boy, they've had a terrible day. The prefs have not performed at all for the holders. Not at all. Christina, it's a 2024. That's what I got. Two Matterport, $2.50 strike for January 2024 for $2.85. Credit Savage, I have 88 cents in my RH account, so I guess I'll buy one share. Splair, I think it was 2 weeks ago, says Splair. Christina, that's when you started writing. Christina, it's because I'm on my phone and I'm doing so much. I'm trying to let you know as well what I'm doing. Euro is under $1. That's right, Zach. It's called a soccer now. No more football. Christina, and as far as a SoFi call, I bought it. It's so cheap, and I'm sure it'll make me something just like Matterport. There you go. Splair, when someone here still not watched the classes, try class number 2. Ask a little here and use the time before the next earnings will release on our favorite SPACs. DQ, I think it's time for some, was that Basil Hayden? I don't know what's going on here. Comments that I can't understand. We're down 632 points with 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go. Down 632. AMC 1038 to 1042. GameStop 34.59. We're down 4 cents on ME. Matterport down 22. SoFi down 22 to 611. ATIP down 4.8 cents. ATIP 86.4 is the last trade. The low of the day 85.8. 851,000 shares. Picking up that ATIP. Scooping it up, you guys. Rocket Lab 548 down 26. The low on Rocket Lab was 539. A little recovery, not much. Smart Rent still down 18 to 348. That's unbelievable. It's a $688 million market cap with a company sitting on about $500 million in cash. That's Matterport. That's Smart Rent right now. Smart Rent. Yeah, we're talking ridiculously cheap on Smart Rent, but I can't help people have to sell. What am I going to do? Interesting. Oh, it's bourbon, Uncle Bruce. That's what this Basil Hayden is. It's bourbon and it's delicious. Zach, I just had to look that up. Looks delicious. DQ, Michael, indeed. Kent, sell my puts on AMC, or is it going lower? I'm happy. Sell your puts. Take your money, dump it. Costco sells it. Zach, it's good to go. Larry is saying cheers. DQ, DH, unfortunately not in Pennsylvania. Sell your puts on AMC, people. Cash out. Definitely cash out. Wait till tomorrow, see what you want to do next. No worries. Let's see how the market opens up and see what we have to do. We're down to 3 minutes to go. Take money off the table. Yeah. 34.55 on GameStop now. AMC 1042, 1041, and the prefs are 636. Yeah. $17 combined value. Time to take profits on AMC puts. For sure. What a day. Zach, my broke self enjoys the Evan Williams on that ATIP budget. DQ, sorry to hear that. They do in California. And Nick S. Boo, are you here? Wants to know, are you here, Boo? We're down 644 now with 2 minutes to go. Larry is getting ready to hit the bells for us and close out one hell of a day. And I sure hope I'm pretty sure a lot of you had a good day today, and way to go. Thanks for those of you who have been taking advantage of the 4 for 3 deal. I appreciate it. You've been popping in over here and grabbing those classes, that 4 for 3 deal. Thank you, all of you who've done that. And check your classes and work them. Send $299.99 US to this PayPal address, and I'll be happy to send you 4 classes for the price of 3. Just send me an email after you do this. Tell me what the 4 classes are that you want. We'll send them out to you. Way to go. Let's see. What else is going on here? 612 on that APE right here, coming into the end of the day, and 1048 on the stock. So 1660 is a combined value now, 1660, something like that, of the deal. Yeah, Tiff, looks like some of our favorites had some support today. Let's see. Nick is saying that Uncle Bruce Boost tip helped me make almost 50 grand on Foot Locker. Way to go, buddy. Richard, thanks, Uncle Bruce. I got all 13. We'll be doing number 13 tonight. Right on, Richard. Larry, the bells are ringing. Thanks, Larry, again for this. Thank you, buddy. That is a wrap. Exactly. Zach, Larry, thanks. Stop the bleeding. We are down 641 on the Dow Jones here for the final dealio. Let's see, we're at 924 on BBBY, 1045 on AMC with a 610 APE stock. So that's 1655 combined value. That's a drip. That's a dip of at least $1.50 from Friday. So those puts are a little more valuable. Hopefully you've cashed out on these and made some good money. And I'm happy that you have. What can I say? What else is going on here? GameStop 34.53 down 196. Looks like the last trade there on the trading day. We're 34.30 in the aftermarket now on GameStop. ME 329 down 4 cents. Matterport 465 down 22. SoFi closed at 610. ATIP 87.2. The low of the day was 85.8. That's the low of all time on ATIP. Rocket Lab 549 down a quarter. SmartRent 348 down 18. Spire 137 down just a penny. Sixtero down 196 to 725. That took a hit today on 2 million shares. Tesla down $20. Pfizer down 24 cents. Boeing down 393. Apple down 395. HPQ down 81. Cisco down 99 cents. Twitter down 94. Home Depot down $9.11. Carvana down 635. Robinhood down 22. Vanik down 819 today to 226.80. IBM lost 277. Microsoft down 840. Goldman down 678. Google down 305. Amazon down 501. Meta down 491. BlackBerry down 26. Royal Caribbean down 184. Norwegian down 64. Carnival down 47. US Steel down 52. Target down 508. Another down day. Again. It is really backed off. It was as high as 182.64 on August the 16th. 6 trading days from 182 to 161.90. Yikes. That's Target. JP Morgan down $1.91. It was down to 115.50, came back to 116.72. So a little recovery there, I guess. Costco down $9. Walmart down $2.39. Nvidia down $8. Disney down $4.16. American Airlines down 46 cents. They're cutting flights in the fall. I don't know if you've heard, but American Airlines is cutting flights, and their pilots, through their union, they want a 3-year deal, 20% pay raise minimum per pilot, or no deal. Don't even give us an offer if it's not 20% pay raise over 3 years. That might be cheap for American Airlines to get away with only 20%. Just a thought. Netflix down $14. DraftKings 17.24. Moderna down 360 to 142.47. Micron down 220. Intel to 33.84, down $1.54, trading at 7.2 times earnings now. Street does not like Intel. What can I say? Wow-wee, I say. Wow-wee. What a day. Just an amazing day. And, well, we'll just see what happens tomorrow. That'll be even more fun, as it always is. Amazing. Let's see. Richard, it was a long weekend. I did the first 12 classes as homework this weekend. Holy moly. The Fawn Sotos. Hi, Bruce. I sent a PayPal to the address I had used for you before to your Hotmail address. I haven't seen the classes yet. Did you get it? Did you get a donation into us? Not there. Let me see. Was that over here maybe? Check. Let me check. Just see if something has come through or not. When did you send it? You might want to send me a private email on this. Why don't you just send me a private email at brucefarman@hotmail.com, and we'll figure it out together, okay? Because I need that info anyway. So send me a private email with when you sent the payment, the exact amount you sent, and I'll go looking for it. We'll see what we can figure out. Go to DQ. I feel like I get assaulted by Fidelity every time the market closes because it's like an orbital bombardment of pending trade cancellations. Michael, Fidelity keeps texting me what I did all day. DQ Agiotti, if you turn the audio on, it's like an Amber Alert for your portfolio. Zach, my feeling, more blood tomorrow. Wednesday start to bounce up, not sure how high. Karen, I have Fidelity too, but they don't do that to me. DQ, Karen, do you have to set up the notifications? They tell me the next day, same thing. DQ, I get notifications in the mobile app and SMS messages right away. All right, folks are talking about that. 10-4 says Fonsa. Good, thank you. Splair, wish you all an enjoyable and a good night. Read and hear us tomorrow. Absolutely. Splair, you take care, buddy. You get some good rest over there. And thank you as always for being here. Like I say, it's fun times at the OK Corral. It never ends. And we are probably going to be busy cowboys tomorrow, watching all kinds of stuff. I noticed Bed Bath Beyond is down 2 cents in the aftermarket. AMC is up 9 to 10.54. GameStop is up down a nickel in the aftermarket right now. ME is up a penny. Matterport up a penny. There's not much going on. Not too much. SoFi up down a penny at 609. ATIP is up 4 cents to 91.2 in the aftermarket. Rocket Lab up a nickel to 554. Smart Rent up 12 cents to 360 in the aftermarket. Spire, no changes. Sextera up 15 cents to 740 in the aftermarket. That's what I see at the moment. Tesla is up 56 cents in the aftermarket. Pfizer down a penny. Boeing up 48 cents in the aftermarket. Apple up 4 cents. HBQ down another dime. Cisco unchanged. Twitter up a penny at 43.06. Home Depot unchanged in the aftermarket. And so there you have it. There's our final countdown, kind of where we're at. Thank you everybody for being here. Slow today, says Michael. What a crazy day today, a bizarro day. Folks, that's it for me. I'm going to call it a day here. I've got 2 more shows to make on Traveling with Bruce, starting at 7 Eastern for sponsor members and 8 o'clock Eastern for the big show over there. So if you want to join me at 8 o'clock tonight on the other channel, say hi. That'd be great. We're trying to get 100 thumbs ups on that show every Monday night. So help out. Come on over. Give us a thumbs up. Say hi. Say bye. Do whatever. Thank you, everybody. And we'll see you tomorrow here, first thing in the morning. Those of you who are Gold Bagel members, keep your eye open for your alert for the the early trade alert, something around 8 in the morning Eastern, a little less earlier than that. And then 8:30, we'll be back on at it again for the first pre-show, pre-hour, 1 hour before the opening and the first hour of the markets. And let's see if you guys can make some more money tomorrow on this option writer's paradise market. It's unbelievable. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow from Calgary. In the meantime, take care, and we'll talk to you later.